Posting daily content is exhausting. I was tired, inconsistent, and stuck. Then I built one simple ChatGPT workflow. Now it helps me plan over 30 posts every week. Most creators don't fail because of bad content. They fail because they can't stay consistent. Daily posting, replying to comments, and tracking performance becomes overwhelming very quickly. I face the same problem: multiple channels, very low views, and very low energy. A ChatGPT workflow is not magic. It's simply a fixed set of prompts that you reuse again and again. First, I use one prompt to plan content. I ask ChatGPT to generate 30 ideas at once. Now my entire week is planned in minutes. Next, I use another prompt for scripts and captions, hooks, message, and call to action, all done. No daily thinking, just record and post. I also use ChatGPT to help reply to comments, friendly, professional, or motivational replies without sounding robotic. I also use simple analytics. I don't use complex tools. I just track views, likes, and comments weekly. Then I ask ChatGPT what worked and what I should repeat. This system removes decision fatigue. Consistency becomes automatic, and YouTube rewards consistency. This will not make you viral overnight, but it builds momentum, and momentum always beats motivation. If you want my exact ChatGPT prompts, comment "workflow" below. Subscribe for honest creator systems, no fake hype.